What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, as y'all seen in my previous videos this past week, I'm starting a Dollhouse series. Now, it's not going to be the end-all be-all, however you say that saying, but more or less just something I'm introducing to my channel that I have taken interest in and I want to share with you guys. So I'm going to come up with a particular date that I focus on the Dollhouse series. So for those who are not interested in viewing the Dollhouse series, y'all be like, hey, I ain't watching it on no Monday or whatever day I pick. But if y'all do want to peek it out, because it's going to be so cute, go ahead and pick it out, because I do need them views. So it may change your heart. You see what I'm saying? Go ahead and look at it. Trick what I just said. Now, I need y'all to look at it. How about that? So I'm going to like tie it in like with my DIY type of, vibes if you're interested in it. And of course, more to come. But I did want to just show my face and I'm like, I can't talk. Have a clear understanding where all this Dollhouse stuff is coming from. So something I've always been interested in. I have always had a dollhouse since young, growing up. So this is nothing new to me, but just as an adult, I wanted to make it more adulty, I love miniature things. I don't know if I mentioned that previously in my other videos. I am a sucker for miniatures of all kinds. Hot Wheels, anything that's cute and miniature. Oh my God, love it. So anyway, this particular video is going to be, once again, introducing you more, this vlog I should say, to more of the Dollhouse era. But moving forward, like I mentioned, I'm going to have a separate Dollhouse vlog by itself, and then have my regular scheduled program of just a regular vlog as I have done previously. So just consider this another theme like vlog and introducing another passion of mine. So let's get started. Yeah, I'm in Goodwill looking for Dollhouse stuff. So let's go. Y'all look at this. It's the doll I wanted for only $2.99. Then I stopped over at Dollar Tree. Okay, y'all, so now I'm in Hobby Lobby looking for more Dollhouse things, items, what have you. And they got Christmas. Yeah, I already know they got Christmas stuff already out. So far, I just got ribbon for like my, what you call it? Curtains. Hobby Lobby and other places that carry fabrics usually have samples for free, and you ever use these samples for little pillows for your doll houses or rugs. It's free, guys. Y'all, look what I just found. A whole set for $5.94. Look at that. It's the whole bedroom. It's a bed. I don't even have to make my bed anymore. God has blessed me with my bed. Oh my. Y'all, look how cute this bed is. Then I went to Michael's. Oh yeah, Michael's lost their raggedy mind. I just want a mirror. Ain't nothing on sale. Hobby Lobby beat y'all, and y'all stuff too little. Michael's high. So I don't see a mirror anyway. I'm just gonna have to get it from TEMU. Okay guys, this is my haul, my dollhouse haul I should say, that you just saw me shop for. So this first group, except for this piece, I got from Hobby Lobby. So this is that $5 furniture set that I show you guys that I thought was a steal, and I needed a bed for sure, and these other pieces of course gonna come in handy. I got this like about 3 Christmases ago. It's actual ornament, but of course I'm gonna use it as not. And then this is some ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. Everything was on sale because that's how I roll. Y'all know about me and Goodwill. That's still, when I go to other stores, I'm looking for the best deal. So this is from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, these are some items I got from what? TEMU. What it do? And TEMU, y'all already know the price is always, normally is always right, and the quality, come on y'all, look at this. Come on y'all, too freaking cute. So these are some items I got from TEMU. This of course is a refrigerator. Y'all gonna tell me they ain't the cutest thing ever. So cute. So TEMU, I have a lot of items coming in from there that is very reasonable price, and if the quality match this quality, oh y'all, it's gonna be on and popping. Last but certainly not least, this is my Dollar Tree dollhouse haul. Y'all, Dollar Tree, of course, you know, is $1.25. You already know. But anyway, have some nice little pieces that you can find. So I picked out like this, what they call a quarter piece, whatever, fat quarter. I don't know how to terminology in sewing world. And then I got some contact paper that I'm going to use as wallpaper. And of course, they also have furniture. Now, their furniture is not the best quality, but hey, it can do what it do, y'all, because the drawers, of course, do not open. It's just little whatever. But it's still, you can paint it or whatever, customize it the way you want. I'm going to keep it 100. These chairs are a little wonky. They're not leveled because one leg is longer than the other leg. But hey, it is what it is. And so forth with this table. But hey, y'all can customize it to your liking and still use it in your dollhouses. And I feel like there's still going to be some standout pieces. So don't sleep on that Dollar Tree, because you can find some gems and some treasures in there just as well. But you might just have to stretch your little imagination and your creative bag a little bit more. But hey, $1.25, what we talking about? And I got some more spray paint from Walmart. And this spray paint is only $2 and some change, y'all. And even though this I would prefer flat and not glossy, but hey, we're going to roll what we can roll with when it comes to that price, because this dollhouse stuff can get very expensive real quick. So try to cut as many corners, but don't cut out on quality or style. Don't do that one. But I've already used this brand of spray paint and I was pleased. Matter of fact, the black that you saw in the dollhouse, as you see right there, is I used this same spray paint, but of course in black. This is white. So it gives that glossy tone like a floors should be. So I was not mad at it. So use it appropriately at this, you know, on items that can go by, because $2 for spray paint, yeah, you ain't finna come across that every day. So this is what I got at Walmart that I'm gonna spray my furniture with. So that's just a quick little tip. So that's it, y'all, for this particular vlog. I'm pretty sure it's pretty short, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick rundown about the whole dollhouse series, like I mentioned. And hopefully y'all, I'm looking down because I don't want to step on my stuff. I should have moved it before I started recording, but it is what it is. But I hope y'all join me on this dollhouse journey. And I hope y'all enjoy and engage in the comments of what y'all like and what y'all hoping to see. And just, I hope y'all just excited as I am. And I know I've said, I am so excited like 4 billion times in all these dollhouse videos, but I am not lying when I say that. I'm beyond excited, y'all. So, until next vlog, or whatever y'all see in the next video, I'll see y'all at that time, I guess. Deuces! Time to go play.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting the wrong.